Hello folks, Trade Ideas team here. Want to do a quick video on risk management, and in this case a little risk management coming from our virtual trading assistant Holly. We've got EDIT that was alerted here at about 10 o'clock this morning Eastern. It's a stock on the daily chart in a pretty bad downtrend. We get an alert here at 679 for a possible reversal, but the most important part is highlighting the risk management. A stop was stuck there. Now, I don't always agree with any stop, Holly's included. However, the idea is to get you thinking about risk management. That's how we avoid our large losses, is by having risk management, sticking to that risk management. That can mean something slightly different to everybody, but especially when we're newer towards the world of trading, having this kind of pushed in your face is a very important thing. So, we had a floor put in yesterday, possibly on edit, and that's where the stop was put. We know that if that gives that up, that could equal a large loss. It ends up that the trade works out, but again, we're highlighting the risk management that happened here. Again, we see something similar in the stock Fate here. We've got a stop that's put here at the low of the day on a stock that really hasn't gone anywhere in quite a long time. The reversal spotted, but the idea is get you thinking about risk management right away. Two trades that happened to work out, but the most important part was the risk management, how those factored into this, why they factored into this, and how we could use those in our trading. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you on another video.